screwed up this cab trying to install a rearview mirror. Screwed up the windshield, which really sucks. So now I'm gonna try to fix it with all these little sandpapers. So we'll start with 2000 and go from there. It's kind of scary because you got to make it worse before you can make it better. So I think I got the high parts out of it. Need to work on that little dot right there. Okay, now those scuffed up, we'll go with 4000. Wow, it's working really good. Well, all of this went dead, so we gotta do it by hand. That's hard to do with that. So much better. So much better. Now we're going to finish it up with this one. it's gonna work. It looks way better than it did. Way better. Clean this back one up a little bit. Got spatter on it. There you go. Yes. So that'll work. That'll work just fine.